Hello guys, welcome back. Let's dive into real GK solutions. 1. What is the name of the chatbot launched by the Prime Minister to assist devotees during Mahakumbh Mela 2025? A. Prayagraj Bot. B. Kumbh Sahayak. C. Melabot. D. Sangam. The correct answer is B. Kumbh Sahayak. Though, recently, the 22nd Divyakala Mela was organized in which city? A. Jaipur. B. New Delhi. C. Indore. D. Kolkata. The correct answer is B. New Delhi. 3. D. Ang Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? A. Nagaland. B. Mizoram. C. Arunachal Pradesh. D. Sikkim. The correct answer is C. Arunachal Pradesh. 4. When is the International Day of Neutrality observed? A. December 11. B. December 12. C. December 13. D. December 14. The correct answer is B. December 12th. 5. Chakki River, which was seen in the news, is a tributary of which river? A. Godavari. B. Narmada. C. Bees. D. Yamuna. The correct answer is C. Bees. 6. Which state government has launched the Indira Gandhi Sukh Siksha Yojana? A. Himachal Pradesh. B. Gujarat. C. Punjab. D. Orissa. The correct answer is A. Himachal Pradesh. 7. Which ministry organized the India Maritime Heritage Conclave 2024, IMHOS 2024? A. Ministry of Tourism. B. Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. C. Ministry of Defense. D. Ministry of Urban Development. The correct answer is B. Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. 8. Yuva Sahkar scheme has been implemented by which organization? A. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development NABARD. B. Ministry of Agriculture. C. Small Industries Development Bank of India (SIDBI). D. National Cooperative Development Corporation (NCDC). The correct answer is D. National Cooperative Development Corporation. No. Which organization has launched a quantum computing chip called Willow? A. Meta. B. Google. C. Microsoft. D. Amazon. The correct answer is B. Google. Thus, Guruvayur Temple, which was seen in the news, is located in which state? A. Karnataka. B. Kerala. C. Maharashtra. D. Orissa. The correct answer is B. Kerala. 11. Consumer Confidence Survey is released by which institution bi-monthly? A. Reserve Bank of India (RBI). B. Niti Aayog. C. Ministry of Finance. D. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development (NABARD). The correct answer is A. Reserve Bank of India. 12. Which country has developed the world's first carbon-14 diamond battery? A. China. B. Russia. C. United Kingdom. D. France. The correct answer is C. United Kingdom. 13. Which Indian ecologist won the Champions of the Earth Award 2024? A. Vandana Shiva. B. Madhav Gadgil. C. Jadav Payeng. D. Rajendra Singh. The correct answer is B. Madhav Gadgil. 14. What is the name of the AI-powered platform developed by IIT Delhi for discovering molecules to slow down aging? A. Lifesaver. B. Lifey. C. Agextend. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Agextend. 15. Eagle Nest Bird Festival is celebrated in which state? A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Gujarat. C. Assam. D. Orissa. The correct answer is A. Arunachal Pradesh. 16. Which Indian temple was selected by UNESCO for the 2023 Award of Distinction for its conservation? A. Abhatsahayeshwarar Temple. B. Mahabodhi Temple. C. Vrindavan Chandrode Temple. D. Kamakhya Temple. The correct answer is A. Abhadsahayeshwara Temple. 17. Which organization has launched an AI model for weather prediction called GenCast? A. Microsoft. B. World Bank. C. Google. D. World Meteorological Organization. The correct answer is C. Google. 18. Pradhan Mantri Poshan Shakti Nirman PM Poshan scheme is an initiative of which ministry? A. Ministry of Women and Child Development. B. Ministry of Education. C. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. D. Ministry of Agriculture. The correct answer is B. Ministry of Education. 19. Subaru telescope, which was seen in the news, is operated by which country? A. France. B. Japan. C. Russia. D. China. The correct answer is B. Japan. 20. Pilibhit Tiger Reserve is located in which state? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Rajasthan. C. Gujarat. D. Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is A. Uttar Pradesh. 21. Rimtalba Jean Emmanuel Ouedraogo has been appointed as the Prime Minister of which country? A. Burkina Faso. B. Ghana. C. Kenya. D. Nigeria. The correct answer is A. Burkina Faso. 22. Where was the Rising Rajasthan Global Investment Summit 2024 organized? A. Jaisalmer. B. Jaipur. C. Udaipur. D. Jodhpur. The correct answer is B. Jaipur. 23. What is the theme of India Internet Governance Forum, IIGF 2024? A. Inclusive Internet for Digital India. B. Calibrating Bharat's Digital Agenda. C. Innovating Internet Governance for India. D. Leveraging TechAid for Empowering Bharat. The correct answer is C. Innovating Internet Governance for India. 24. Which day is observed as International Anti-Corruption Day every year? A. December 7. B. December 8. C. December 9. D. December 10. The correct answer is C. December 9th. 25. Which state government recently launched the Urajveer scheme to promote energy-efficient appliances? A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Gujarat. C. Maharashtra. D. Karnataka. The correct answer is A. Andhra Pradesh. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe.